Okay, I see many comments coming through with regards to gold. Will 2000 hold? You'd expect it to hold without there being anything particularly uh, red on the calendar for the time being. You'd expect this area to hold for the first attempts of trying to break. Big psychological area. Um, Now, if we look at the charts on an hourly basis, we've got room to come in to here. What we might need to see is a close below and a move up. So let's have a look at what we've got. So we're looking for a close below and then the move up before heading lower. And resistance you might expect in here with a Fibonacci drawn. You could have that kind of scenario play out, or it's just going to hold and move up. Now, what I talked about in the pre-open market analysis, as I've spoken about before, um, on a Sunday or Monday if you're in Asia, before the market opens, I publish an article called Gold Price Forecast. Um, Actually, I should have written that wrong. I don't know why I call it gold price forecast. I'll have to change that. It should be the chart of the week. Um, uh, Bear with me. It should look like that. I did that wrong. Chart of the week. So I do a series of that every week, as you can see. Anyway, so in this article, I talked about the price being on the front side of the bull trend. So we've got this bullish market. Um, this is the weekly chart. Now, if we look at the daily chart, I talked about coming in to test 2000 and finding buyers to move back up. That's one scenario. So if we look at that chart on a daily basis, so for it to come out of this bullish phase, it's unlikely to just plummet. You're more likely to see a scenario where it sort of tests below and does some of this before coming lower. If it were to break, otherwise we're going to hold and continue higher. The For me, a break of this low here would be significant because it was the support that created a, a lot of momentum to the upside in all of that, and went on to make record highs. So that's going to be a key area, 1970s. So drawing that as a very important level of support. So could be that scenario, sort of moving sideways in and out of here. If we don't just move up. But nearer term, as I've pointed out, if this support has a strong possibility of holding and a correction back up before coming lower.